Find your way into this wonderland. Cross the maze, the dark, the innocent. Chase the faith, the thrill, the heaven sent. I got you wild upside down. The labyrinth will guide you far away to a place where senses will decay.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to plastidip your grill. So this is a Corolla 2010 grill that you attach to the bumper. So I had a small crash and I had to replace the bumper, so we're going to use this opportunity to just plastidip it so it's dark. It's going to give the car that dark look. So we'll start by cleaning it up, scraping it down with a sandpaper. Probably we don't need tougher one. We're just going to use the 1000 3M sandpaper and then plastidip it.
Your ghost and mind will shadow play. I got you wild upside down. Upside down.
So we'll be using this. It's this plastidip. I'll share the link in the description. So we shake it for at least 30 seconds. And then we're just gonna spray it left to right, not stopping at any spot. And then we'll let that first layer dry up, and then we'll do another coat on top of it. Then we'll do another coat.
Find your way into this wonderland. Cross the maze, the dark, the innocent. Chase the faith, the thrill, the heaven sent. I got you wild upside down. The labyrinth will guide you far away to a place where senses will decay. Your ghost and night will shadow play.
We'll do the same to this one.
Upside down.
Then we'll do one last coat, and with that we'll be good to go. and that's how you plasti dip your grill. So I'm going to install them. If you want to see how you can install them on your front bumper, check out the link in the description. Also check out the link for the plasti dip and all the other amazing videos. Thank you for tuning in. As always, see you on the next one.